Smelly Elvin. Where is he?
Hello!
Hello, Smelly Elvin. How are you?
Yeah, tidy, thanks. How are you?
I'm not too bad, thank you. Have you recovered from all that farting?
Oh, do you know, that was so much fun, that competition.
Oh, it's a bit smelly, though.
I bet it was. There aren't very many windows in here.
No.
Now, look, I've got another little competition for you this week.
Yeah.
It's much more polite this time.
Okay.
I've got the same mascots.
Right.
Some people don't think it will be more polite. I can see them. What it is, come on. Let's have the dragon and Shrek and the knight on stage. Come on out.
Come on out, mascots.
Come on out. Where's the music? Have they got any music?
Here is Shrek.
Here's Shrek.
Hello,
Come on out, Shrek. Come on out, Mr. Knight. Come on out, the dragon.
Hello.
Now then, I've got a much more polite competition.
Better late than never.
Hey! I'll tell you for what it is.
What is it, Pete?
Christopher.
Smelly Elvin.
I'm really good at something other than farting, I find out this week.
What else are you good at?
Well, I can eat my toenails, I discovered. But it didn't seem fair on Shrek, because his toenails are very thick and very hard to break.
More like claws, really.
Claws indeed. Now, burping.
Burping?
I am crowned champion of the 2019 Castle Dungeon burping competition.
What, like a burpee? Like down and...
Oh, no, not like you're athletic. Like this. Listen. Everybody listen.
You mean like actual burping?
Actual burping. 2019 Castle Dungeon champion right here. Admittedly, there was only me and one dead rat taking part. Now then, who thinks they can burp better than Smelly Elvin?
Everyone does.
Everyone does. Shall we try and find out?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's hear it from the dragon.
Okay, you ready, dragon? In 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow.
There was a little bit of follow on there.
I thought she'd finished.
That was like it burp in 2 chapters.
Yeah.
I liked that. Right, who wants to go next? Shrek. Okay, Shrek.
Oh, wow. That was a burp.
That was lovely. I liked the long note
It even
there.
got a laugh from the dragon over here.
Now here's our valiant knight. Here we go, ready?
Wow.
Magnificent.
Wow.
That was beautiful.
That was amazing.
I wish I'd recorded that. I could fall asleep to it at night.
Oh, no. Now, who had the best burp, Smelly Elvin?
Well, I think the children should decide, don't you?
I think they probably should, yes. Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
Well, put your comments below and let us know who you think had the best burp.
Great. We'll see you next time. See you later, guys.
Come on, guys, off stage.